Hi again guys, just a quick video log. That's my tree camera over there. And over here is where we place the apples. We call this place Apple Rock. It's located in a rainforest, deep in a secret location. On further inspection you can see where we've put apples are now gone. All sorts of animals are in here. We have wild pigs, wallabies, bush turkeys, possums, and yes guys, yowies. Yowie is Australian version of the Bigfoot. This is in Queensland, by the way, so if you're watching this and you're overseas, this is in Queensland, Australia, deep in the rainforest. Okay, I will be uploading any videos I have from my tree cam later, so stay tuned, keep watching. This is youtube.com/viral6000. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.